Hey, welcome to this video. My name is Dora, and in this one I want to show you how to make money with Clickbank step by step. So I want to give you that step-by-step formula that you can actually implement and follow to start making money with Clickbank. And this is the same formula following in my affiliate business to actually make money. So whether I'm selling, Clickbank products or I'm selling other affiliate products on some other marketplaces, this is the exact formula I'm following every single time. So this is something that's working for me. This is why I want to share it with you. And hopefully this information will serve you. So basically here we are on Clickbank, the biggest marketplace of digital products on the internet. And the first thing, if you want to make money with Clickbank, what we need to do is we need to have something to sell, right? We need to have product to promote. And this is basically step number one. We need to find a good product to promote, okay? Now, before we actually start talking about products, what you need to do is you need to create yourself an account as an affiliate here on Clickbank. And to do this, it's very simple process. All you have to do is just click here on create account at the top. You fill out your basic information and you create yourself an account as an affiliate. Okay, once you do this, all you have to do is just click here on affiliate marketplace to actually see what products are available. Now, when it comes to products, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for those products that are actually quality products. So, product must provide value and people must be getting value from the product. But at the same time, I'm looking for product that will be easy to sell. So product must convert very, very well, okay? And I'm going to show you how to find those products in just a second, okay? So here on the left side, what we have is we have all of those different categories available on Clickbank. So we have arts, entertainment, we have business, computers, cooking, education, employment, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, languages, parenting, self-help. We have a lot of different categories here, okay? So what you can do is you can choose your category based on niche what you're in. Maybe if you're just getting started, you're new to affiliate marketing, you don't have your niche yet, what I actually recommend is going with one of evergreen markets, okay? So we have 3 evergreen markets. The first one is wealth, the second one health and fitness, and the third one is love, dating, relationships. Now, the reason why is because those markets are proven to make money, okay? So those markets are making a lot of money right now, but also those markets will continue to make a lot of money in the future. Now, the reason why is because people will be always looking for products in those markets, right? People will always want to have more money, be in good shape, be fit, be in happy relationships. And this is why people will be always buying products in those markets, okay? So for example, what we can do is we can go with one of evergreen markets. So we can go with, let's just say, health and fitness. Okay, so here we have list of all products available in health and fitness category. So we have a lot of different products here. As you can see, we have 128 pages full of products. So basically, a lot of different products. But what I want to do is I want to find those products that are selling the best, okay? And as you can see right now, results products are sorted by something called popularity. So what you can do is you can take a look what products are popular, basically what products are trending, and you can promote those products if you want to. But what I want to do is I want to find those products that are converting very, very well, okay? And to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort results by something called gravity. And gravity is that formula Clickbank used to calculate how well each product sells. And basically, the higher the gravity number, it means the product is selling better and more affiliates are making money selling this product. So in this particular category, health and fitness category, the product with the highest gravity score, the product that's selling the best, is called the Ready Detox. Okay, so this product right here. And basically, this product is converting very, very well. A lot of people are making money selling this product. And because product is converting very, very well, it will be easier for us marketers to actually sell this product. So what we can do is I can actually click on it to see how the sales page looks like. Okay, so as you can see, basically we have simple headline here at the top. We have video, and below video we have add to cart button. This is where people can actually purchase this product, okay? So again, very simple sales page, but it's converting very, very well. So let me go back here on Clickbank. So let's just say I want to promote the Ready Detox, okay? So what I would do is I would simply click here on this red promote button to get my hop link, which is actually your affiliate link here on Clickbank. So what you need to do is you need to enter your account nickname, okay? So just do this, and this is basically your nickname that you created as you were creating your Clickbank account. So all you have to do is simply click on generate hop links. to actually get your hope link. Okay, and this is your hope link, this is your affiliate link. So this link will be unique to you, and this is, every time someone actually buy through that link, you would get paid, you would make money, you would earn a commission as an affiliate. And this is basically how Clickbank works, right? We basically get our affiliate links, we have people who are buying through that links, and we are making money. But the thing is, everyone can go on Clickbank, everyone can actually get their hope link, and everyone can actually sell this product, right? But the thing is, the question is, how do you successfully sell those products, right? What's the process? Basically, how do you promote your affiliate link? And what most people are doing is something like this. So let's just say this is my affiliate, this is my Clickbank offer. So maybe it's Ready Detox, maybe it's something else, so whatever it is that you're selling. But this is basically where you make money every time someone purchases, right? Now what most people are doing is they would buy traffic and they would send those people straight to this sales page. Okay, straight to their affiliate link, and this is basically model a lot of people are following. This is something that I was doing, but I was getting no results, no profit, because like maybe I would make sale, maybe 2 sales, but the thing is I would spend more money on buying traffic than I would actually make by selling this product. So usually I would go backwards, and basically this model doesn't work, okay? So what you wanna do is you wanna have different strategy, okay? Because if you just send traffic, like you can be getting very, very, very targeted traffic, but if you just send those people straight to your affiliate link, very small percentage of people will actually convert, okay? Maybe 1-2% of people. So what that means is you will lose 99 to 98% of people, right? Because those people will leave the site and you will lose them forever. So what you wanna do is you wanna capture traffic, okay? And basically, a lot of people think, okay, if I have product, right, I have good converting product, all I need to have is people, right? All I need to have is traffic, because if I have traffic, I have product, I can basically make money. But the thing is, there is one step that's preceding getting traffic, okay? And a lot of people don't have this in place, and this is why people are struggling, people are not getting results that they want, okay? And basically, let me go back here. So basically, before we actually start sending traffic, we need to have something called system in place. And system will help you actually sell this product, okay? System, it might sound complicated, but this is process your potential customers go through, okay? And actually it's very, very simple. Here's how it looks like. So what I want to do is, let me quickly erase this. So what I want to do is, I don't want to send people straight to my affiliate link. I want to send people to something called landing page, capture page, okay? And this is where I would capture traffic. So what I have here is I have my headline and basically submit button. This is where people are submitting their email addresses. And every time they do this, they go to my autoresponder list. And this is, I'm building my list in my autoresponder. Okay, I'm collecting email addresses and basically I'm capturing traffic. And system consists of 2 parts, okay? This is part number 1 called capture mechanism, and this is basically where you are capturing traffic, you are capturing their information, their email addresses, which actually gives you that ability to follow up with those people later on and basically keep promoting this product, right? So what we have is we have 2 parts of system, and part number 1 is called capture mechanism. Capture mechanism. Okay, part number 2 is something called conversion mechanism. So basically, something is happening here in this email phase, and this is basically part number 2. This is conversion mechanism, okay? So how you actually communicate with those people on your list, how do you actually turn them into customers, right? How do you convert them into customers? And basically what most people would do is they would have emails preloaded in their autoresponder, which is awesome thing, right? Because you want to have automation in your business. You don't want to be there, all the time writing those emails manually. But the thing is, what most people would do is they would just, hammer people in every single email, tell buy, 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 buy. And people don't want to hear that, right? People actually don't care about product. People opted into your list because they want to achieve something, right? People want particular result. So what you want to do is you want to basically lead with that result. You want to provide value, because people who are just hammering, telling buy, 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 like those people have very low open rates, very low conversion rates, because again, like people don't care about product, right? What people care about is that result they want to achieve. So what you want to do is you want to basically lead with that result. You want to talk about that result, and you want to basically lead with value, right? Giving people some valuable information that will actually help them get closer to that result they want to achieve. And because you are leading with value, you are talking about ideas, strategies, tips that will actually help them get closer to that result. People will be paying attention to you, opening your emails, listening to recommendations, and eventually people will be buying from you, okay? Because they know, people will be paying attention to you because they know inside your emails is value, right? And basically this is how you convert your leads into customers. So basically you have your product, right? Step number 1. Step number 2, you have your system that actually helps you capture traffic and also convert those people into customers. And basically step number 3, what we need is we need to have people who are interested in getting that result our product promises to deliver, right? So basically we need to have some traffic, and we need some good quality targeted traffic, right? And a lot of people would ask, okay, what's the best traffic source, right? But the thing is, again, like, you can have very targeted traffic, but if you don't have this step number 2 in place, your system in place, basically a very small percentage of those people will convert, right? So it's very, very important that you actually have your system in place, and this is what most people don't have in place, okay? But when it comes to traffic, like, you can get traffic from a lot of different traffic sources. So what you can do is you can get fast traffic by tapping into already existing pool of people. So basically you can go to influencers, you can get traffic that way, you can tap into other marketers lists. So you can do solo ads, you can do, you can use different social platforms, you can use Facebook, Instagram, you can do Google PPC, Bing PPC, you can get traffic through YouTube. What else can you do is you can basically, you can do display media, you can do email drops. There is basically a lot of different ways for you to generate good quality targeted traffic. And if you want to learn more about how to actually generate traffic, how to build up this system that will actually help you capture traffic and also convert those people into customers, and how to actually set yourself up with multiple streams of income so you're getting paid from multiple directions, not just from one product, what you can do is you can click the link in the description and you can access step-by-step course that will actually show you how to do affiliate marketing in great detail, okay? But basically this is the process, right? We have step number 1, product, you have your system, and you have your traffic. So what you are doing is you are sending those people, you are sending traffic to your system, and basically this system helps you sell this product. And of course, if you want to learn all of this in great detail, if you want to go for mastery of affiliate marketing, what you can do is you can click the link in the description, okay? So this is how you make money with Clickbank. So hopefully this is making sense, hopefully you got some value from this video, and most importantly, hopefully you will implement this strategy, okay? This is very, very powerful strategy. This is what allows me to make money with affiliate marketing. And I truly believe once you understand it, you implement it, it will help you make money with Clickbank as well, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate some thumbs up, and with that being said, I'm looking forward to talk to you soon. Bye!